So in order to unlock the full functionality of your Sony Smart TV remote, you need to pair it via Bluetooth. So to do that, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Remotes and Accessories, select that, and then first of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. Now with Bluetooth on, you can now scroll down and select Remote Control, and then you have the option to connect via Bluetooth. And it says here, this will enable the full functionality of your TV remote control. So click on that, and then it's going to give you instructions. And the instructions are, number one, press and hold down the volume button. And then number two, press the microphone button for 3 seconds while holding down the volume down button. Okay, so let's do that together. Press and hold the volume down button, which is this one. And then the microphone button is also the Google Assistant button. So I'm going to press and hold down. And then while holding that, I'm going to press like that. And then it's going to connect via Bluetooth. Simple as that. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.